Good morning. Today is about Wednesday 25 of May. So the steward is here. Oh ma! Corabel, si Grace, and here's Ricey and Karen. We're riding the train going to Manchester for lunch. Yeah? Just for lunch.
Hello?
Okay, there you are.
Naiingon si Dana na po. Dili. Okay.
Oo.
Screenshot. Ingon siya, nindot ko na to kay Chinese, Korean, Japanese buffet
Sa asa day?
sa Manchester na itong
So again, here, mom, it's about your riding.
Nasa ko nilutulot. Iyang friends ko nung ato dito. Azuma.
Sumah mo ni. Asa na laro na ito?
Oxford daw, dapit.
Mom's coffee with a
Street. Tour guide,
Cavendish.
Cavendish.
tour guide, yeah. There.
Grace. That's ito,
Once again, we are in Liverpool Line Street Station, going to Manchester for just for take a lunch. Grace is in Manchester also. So they have a bar there. And Ricey and Karen, yeah. The mom of ARWEN there.
Bugay kayo na ito. Korean restaurant ito nga. Atuan ko na pa niya siya friends.
Wow, amazing.
Kaysa sa katulad kita. Mandibul.
Here is the place of Sir Chaperson. The Sea of the Virgin Galactic Space Tourism as I support him as a venture again here.
Nasa Chile Commission.
24 hours na 1,000?
Nasa Zara.
Ano man?
Again, so thank you and good morning. And you know, repeat again. And
Less stressful.
when we arrive in Manchester, thank you.
And then she gets 1 hour break. And then napa siya 20 minutes additional break.